Anthropic's Claude Code is easily the best terminal agent out right now for obvious reasons. I mean, it reads your code base, it edits files, it runs your terminal test automatically, all of that. But what if you could keep that exact tool using workflow, but swap Sonnet out or Opus out for something relatively cheaper, however, equally as competent? So that's something is what I'll be showing you in this video, and it's Qwen 3.7 Max. So quite literally yesterday, Alibaba dropped Qwen 3.7 Max, and it's currently the most powerful reasoning model out of China, and they specifically optimized it to handle complex multi-step agent tasks. However, it's a premium tier model, so it's going to cost more than your standard open source API. But the coding logic though is absolutely next level, trust me. However, we'll be using it through the open router as a bridge. So by using open router as a bridge, we can trick Claude Code into routing all of its agentic execution straight to Qwen 3.7 Max. So you get Claude Code's terminal mechanics powered by Qwen's raw reasoning. I mean, you get what I'm saying, right? So let's look at the environment variables you need to configure to get this running, right? So the first thing that you need to do though is you have to have Claude Code itself installed. Obviously, you already have, but in case you don't, these are the links you're going to need. I'll have these links along with any other links that we're going to be using in this tutorial linked in the description below. Right, so I am on PowerShell, so the ideal one to copy would be this one. So you just copy it, install it, and make sure you have it fully installed. Right, so once you have that done, you need to open up PowerShell itself. So let me just open up PowerShell again. Right, so with PowerShell opened up like this, you run this specific code, which is code tilde slash space dot Claude. Now what this is doing is it's going to open the dot Claude folder inside VS Code. So if you're using anti-gravity, you could just type anti-gravity with the same logic as well. So this is going to, let me just give it a second to load up. Yes, so this is the .claude directory that I was talking about. So inside it, we just open up settings.json. Now, everything that we're going to be doing, if you just installed Claude Code for the first time, you should see Anthropic models in here. Because I've been making a lot of tutorials lately, that is how come you are seeing these over here. This is from NVIDIA NIM. So it was supposed to be a tutorial on that. So I'm going to show you how you can have it linked with Open Router and have Qwen 3.7 Max. Right. So we come on to this platform, which is Open Router, which will also be in the description as well. And then we need to create an API key and as well select the 3.7 model I am talking about. Right. So let's give it a bit of a second to load up. Right. So here we are. Now let's select API keys over here like this. Now we need to create a new one. If you don't already have an account, you will have to create an account though. So let me just name my API key and just create one. Now you don't have to worry because right after this tutorial, I'm going to revoke all of the rights on that API key and then replace this API key over here with the one we just created. So this is what we have at the moment. These links to all of this I have in the description to aid you guys as well. Now we need to change the URL over here. So we just copy the open router URL, which is this over here. So openrouter.ai/API. Now we need to select our model, right? So we come back and head to the model section. Now, as you can see, it's the freshest model out, which was released 21st, which is yesterday. So you simply copy it like this and then come in here with a model and then paste this in here as well. And then Control S it, save it, close it, and pull up PowerShell again. So this time I'm going to open a new PowerShell. We'll close this one and then open up Claude. So Claude Code is opening up. Yes, I trust this folder because I'm the owner as well. Yes, again. Now, as you can see, we have Qwen 3.7 Max fully load up and ready to use. I'm not sure I have enough credit though, so I may have to resort to making a fully dedicated video on all of the technical prowesses and everything you can do comparable with Opus or Sonnet or any of Anthropic's ChatGPT's models, right? So I hope you're able to get it installed to use it through Claude Code. I hope you enjoyed the video. Most certainly do leave a like and a comment to express whether or not you'd like to see that dedicated video. And I'll see you in the next video, yeah?